You've been asking me for quite a long time now that sir, please prepare baby IIM rankings. Third generation IIMs की rankings निकालिए. Which baby IIM is the best one to go? And I've been very enthusiastic about this because I realize that it's very important for me to bring out data and logic for me to help you choose your B school. Which IIM should you go to? And whether even these baby IIMs are worth it or not. Well, in this video, I'll be doing exactly that. I'll be ranking all the baby IIMs for you as per the domain. So if you want to go into marketing and sales, rankings as per that. If you want to go into finance, rankings as per that. Operations and so on and so forth. So that you can make a wise choice. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I've been the MBA product head at Career Launcher and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, very frankly, when I had made this, when I had done my research over the last few days, I had thought that, okay, this ranking, should I even make a video on it or not? I was apprehensive. The reason why I was very apprehensive about this is because when you'll watch the rankings part of it towards the end, you will realize कि actual data and logic based rankings जब आप निकालोगे, अगर समय से निकालोगे, and जो general perception है इन institutes का, उसमें जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. I am repeating myself, you are in for a shock when I'll be giving you all the logic, the data, that why certain institute is ranked somewhere and why is I am Vizag, why is this there and that is there. When I'll be saying all of those things to you, you will be shocked because this is very contrary to the perception. Therefore, let's waste no further time and let's deep dive into what I have to share with you about the third generation IIMs. Now, when I was making this, and you know this, that I myself are from a second generation IIM, which is IIM Udaipur. But one thing which I want to say to you is this. What is it that you can see on your screen right now? ये क्या है exactly? ये screen पे क्या है? Whatever it is, just go down in the comments and let me know what you think this is. And it is pretty clear. This is basically a horse race. घोड़े हैं, jockeys बैठे हैं उनके ऊपर और ये अभी अपने अस्तबल से बाहर आए हैं. That is that. 5 years back, 6 years back, when I was a first year student at IIM Udaipur, I was speaking to somebody about these new IIMs and all of those things. And this is exactly the analogy which I gave to them. That the fact is, all of these new IIMs ना अभी ये नई रेस में घोड़े हैं सारे, ठीक है? And अभी रेस जस्ट शुरू हुई है. अभी जस्ट ये अपने अस्तबल से बाहर आए हैं. फाइनली कौन कितनी स्पीड लेता है, जाता है आगे, वो डिपेंड करता है बहुत फैक्टर्स पे. आप वो प्रेडिक्ट कर नहीं सकते. आप सिर्फ आज वो उस ट्रैक पे कहां पे कि जी ये वाला थोड़ा आगे है, ये वाला अभी पीछे है, ये यहाँ है, ये वहां है, आप अभी सिर्फ उतना ही एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं. बट अगेन लेट मी रिमाइंड यू दैट इवन फॉर द बेबी IIMs, दिस इज मोर अबाउट दिस बीइंग अ वेरी लॉन्ग टर्म रेस. एंड व्हाट आई विल बी शेयरिंग विद यू इस साल अभी might change next year entirely. Hence, you need to see it from that perspective because these institutes are still evolving. That is the idea. Now, as always, let me start off with some important FAQs because there are certain institute among these which require certain special attention because of the kind of programs which they have. Starting with IIM Sirmaur. IIM Sirmaur has two programs. One is the MBA program and the second one is MBA Tourism program. That's that. Clubs and committees are the same. दोनों programs के लिए clubs and committees जो होती हैं, they are all the same. Placements are also pooled, so the placements happen together. That is that. And first term, in your first year, all the courses are same. In the term 2 and term 3, the tourism students have 2 or 3 extra courses in each term. It is not basically extra courses, but जो 2 courses MBAs के अंदर होते थे, वो यहाँ नहीं है. यहाँ पे they have added certain extra from tourism perspective. This is just something which you should know for your clarity. Knowledge is very important for you to have. Second institute is IIM Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya has 3 programs. MBA DBM, which stands for Digital Business Management, and MBA HHM, which is Hospitality and Health Management. Hospital and Healthcare Management. That is that. Now, here's the thing. The clubs and committees for this also are the same. Placements are pooled. In fact, these 2 programs, they were just started last year. तो जो summers हुए हैं अभी, वो अभी इनके pooled ही हुए हैं. That is that. And then the curriculum here is very different. Even in the first year, only a very few subjects are the same. Second year में तो एकदम ही then you have the options to choose your electives. From there, let me speak about IIMJ Jammu. It has 2 courses. One is MBA core and the other one is MBA Hospital Administration and Healthcare. That is that. Now, the placements are not pooled. Here is what you need to know. In fact, the placecoms are also separate for this. दोनों programs की placement committees भी अलग हैं. That is also important. Now, clubs and committees are the same, obviously, except for the placecom, which we just now spoke about. That's that. And now, here is something very interesting about this. That first year में normal MBA core वाले courses तो हैं ही हैं. However, there are few courses which are not of MBA core, वो वाले नहीं है. But for the MBA Hospital Administration, they have certain 7 courses which are collaborated through AIMS Jammu and IIT Jammu. So this is going to be, from what I can see, if you go there on their site and you see this is going to be a very decent looking program with a lot of wholesome learning opportunities in it. I am speaking about MBA HA HM only, because wahan pe hi hai wherein they have these classes with AIMS and with IIT. That's that. And the second year electives at HAHM are separate. They are more into hospital and healthcare and all of that, as well as you also have the options to go for finance electives and supply chain electives and all of those things. तो वहां पे ये सब भी आपके पास है options. This was very important for you to know. And finally, I'll be speaking about IIM Amritsar. It has 3 programs: MBA Core, MBA BA, which is Business Analytics, and MBA HR. The clubs and committees of all of them are common, and the placements are pooled. Also, the first year courses are the same. Yes, in each term you will have one or two courses which are special for BA and special for HRM. Then in the second year you have entirely different set of electives. Sure, in that also you'll be having some sort of overlap. Those were some important FAQs which were important for you to know about these specific IIMs if you're somebody who's about to go to these IIMs. Moving on from there, now I will take you to some history about these IIMs just so that you know. These are the 7 baby IIMs we are speaking about. We're talking about IIM Nagpur, IIM Sambalpur, IIM Vizag, IIM Amritsar, IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya, IIM Sirmaur. They were all established in 2015 with an exception of IIM Jammu, which was established in 2016. And you can also see the mentor IIMs. These were the old IIMs who were assigned to each of these new IIMs so that their grooming and their growth can be handled and monitored by them. So for example, how it works is that when an old IIM is mentoring a new IIM or a baby IIM, they also provide them faculty assistance in the initial days. So what you can expect is that initially when they would have launched, you would be having faculty from IIM A who would be at IIM Nagpur, faculty from IIM B who would be at IIM V. For example, the final placements back then of IIM Vizag, they used to happen at IIM Bangalore's campus. So all of these are the kind of assistance and hand holding which they provide. Moving on from there, let's try and understand a bit of things about batch composition of this. अब और ये डेटा जो यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, my dear friends, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप चाहिए तो take a notepad and pen and copy it down somewhere because I will be using this data when I'll be ranking this. तो वहां पे भी linked है ये. Again, you know me, I make my stuff very comprehensive and thought out. Hence, it is important that you carefully hear me out as well. It's not important कि screen पे ही सिर्फ क्या लिखा है, उसके साथ साथ I'll be speaking a lot of things which will not be there on the screen which are important for you to know. Here, a few interesting things which you can see is that if we start from the rightmost, then you have IIM Sirmaur. You have an IIM Sirmaur whose percentage of freshers is 85%. Now, अब जब मैं इसके आगे आपको इस IIM का selection criteria दिखाऊंगा, what you will see is that उसके selection criteria में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है which will favor the freshers. उसके बावजूद भी अगर 85% freshers हैं, वो क्यों है? इसका answer you can find in IIM Sirmaur's placement report, because in that placement report they have actually explained that why in that year they had 85% freshers. What they have stated is something of this effect, that because the economic situation of the country was not good in terms of the job scenario, therefore we strategically chose more freshers so that the program was of good ROI for them. And it makes absolute sense, and it's good that IIM Sirmaur thought it from this angle and they made sure that they're choosing the ones for whom the program and the outcomes from it will be far more effective. Then something else which you can see here is also that the percentage of engineers at IIM Vizag 69 is the highest. मगर क्या इसका फायदा, क्या इसका इम्पैक्ट IIM Vizag की प्लेसमेंट्स में है? क्या अगर इंजीनियर्स ज्यादा हैं वहां पे एंड अगर उनका सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया इज मोर फेवरेबल टुवर्ड्स इंजीनियर्स, क्या प्लेसमेंट में वो शो होता है कि जो भी जॉब्स इंजीनियरिंग सेंट्रिक या फिर इंजीनियर फ्रेंडली होती हैं, फाइनेंस, कंसल्टिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस, क्या वो वहां पे ज्यादा आ रही हैं? इसका आंसर यू विल फाइंड इन द एंड व्हेन आई विल बी गिविंग यू द डोमेन वाइज रैंकिंग ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीस इंस्टीट्यूट्स. मूविंग ऑन फ्रॉम देयर, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द बैच साइज ओवर द ईयर्स, ओवर द लास्ट 2 years in fact I should say. Approximately सबका similar है. Everyone is around about 300. I was not able to find the latest one for IIM Nagpur and for IIMJ, but you can assume that they would also be around 300ish. So सबका 300 ही है. Yes, IIM Vizag seems to have the highest one among all of them. That is that. Now from there, let's move towards understanding कि selection criteria क्या रहा है, because selection criteria से you will get clarity whoever you are. If you are an aspirant for CAT 24, next year's CAT or this year's CAT, you will actually understand कि क्या उसका placement के ऊपर कोई impact है या नहीं. Let's understand the final selection. Now I am saying the final selection means the criteria for the final admission offer. Now here is what you can see. You can see that IIM Bodh Gaya places the highest weightage on the CAT score, and also its weightage for the PI is the lowest among all. Then you can also see IIM Bodh Gaya gives 6 marks to chartered accountants and CS and all of those people, and we'll see क्या इसका कुछ placement के ऊपर है impact या नहीं. That's that. Then if you can see उसके just side में IIM Sirmaur is somebody who seems to be much more friendlier to somebody who has not had great past academics, because उनका 10th and UG score is 0. They only see your class 12th के scores. That is that. Then you can also see that how some other institutes give more weightage to your past academics. For example, IIM Sambalpur has 8 marks for your UG score, and so on and so forth. You have the same kind of things over there. Then IIM Amritsar does not consider your UG score at all. The academic diversity is only at Nagpur, at Amritsar and at Sirmaur. So hence probably here you would not see so many engineers, which you can confirm from the slide which I had shown you. Then you have gender diversity scores everywhere except for IIM Bodh Gaya. So all of these things are important because in the end you will see how these impact. Moving on from there, let's talk about something which is much more closer to the outcomes which you require from your MBA program, which is what? Which is, my dear friend, the summer placements. So here is a summer placements snapshot of this. Now this is, okay, you have to be very careful that IIM Bodh Gaya is the only IIM which has an audited placement report. Hence you can see this stamp on it, audited. Apart from that, these are the stats. What you can see is that IIM Amritsar seems to have the highest average of 83k. Now you have to be careful. This 83,000 is not 1 month ka stipend, my dear friends. This is the stipend for 2 months combined. So please do not be under the impression that at IIM Amritsar you will get 1,60,000, double than this. No, that is that. At some places, for example, at an IIM Sambalpur, what you can see is that the average is much higher than the median. अब ये क्यों है? Again, this is basic stats. जब average median से बहुत high होता है, उसका अर्थ ये है कि एक कोई salary आई जिसने average बहुत ज्यादा ही उछाल दिया. That is that. That is why I always say to my students, median is a good stat to look at. Median is a good stat to compare. That is why in all of my slides I give median for sure. अगर यही मैंने दिया होता that only okay that you can see in terms of the average, then you would have said that अच्छा Sambalpur और Sirmaur में तो काफी अंतर है, because Sirmaur is 51k average and this is 65k, so much more. However, their medians are the same in the same way. So you can probably think in the ways which you should not be thinking about, and therefore it is very important for you to look at the medians as well. Now one thing which I have to speak to you about summer placements for sure. अंत में जो मैं rankings I will be sharing, they would be as per the domain for consulting, marketing, sales, finance and all of those things. However, what you need to know, and ये मैंने जब मैंने new IIMs की rankings करी थी उसमें भी I had said this carefully, that summers में सारे IIMs में ज्यादातर रोल sales and marketing के ही होते हैं. Please do not enter and get shocked कि अच्छा ये तो consulting के ज्यादा रोल्स होने चाहिए थे या फिर फाइनेंस के रोल्स होने चाहिए थे, बट समर्स में तो सारे रोल्स ही उसके आ रहे हैं सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग के. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा ही है. सेकंड जनरेशन और थर्ड जनरेशन आईएम्स में majority roles in the summers would be sales and marketing. As high as 40% and 50% of the roles which will be floated will be sales and marketing. So summers के standpoint से ये बहुत similarity है. जो भी फर्क है थोड़ा बहुत वो finals में ही है. Moving on, talking about finals placements, let's actually go ahead and see what the final placements are like at these B schools. Now as you can see over here, this is what it is. This is the final placement data for the baby IIMs, the final placements at baby IIMs. What you can see again is that IIM Bodh Gaya's placement report is the only one which is audited. It stands at an average of 16 lakh and its median is 14.96. This is important. Now apart from this, whatever you are seeing is unaudited and the average is in the blue and the median is in the orange one. That is why you can see at almost everywhere except for Nagpur, the average is higher than the median. However, a few things which you now need to very carefully hear me out, because अब वो जरूरी है समझने के लिए. These stats are not just the only thing which you have to see. इसके पीछे आगे की कहानी भी थोड़ी है जो कि समझना जरूरी है. पहली चीज तो all of this data is for the batch of 21 to 23 because that was the only year last year का जहाँ पे सबका डेटा था मेरे पास, and my attempt is only to compare the same years so that this is the best comparison ever. That's that. What you need to know is, while I am saying Bodh Gaya's placement report is audited, what you should know is that Nagpur's इसके पिछले साल की, which is 20 to 22, that report was audited and this report is not audited, which means means something else also, which means that while नागपुर वालों ने इस साल पिछले साल से इंक्रीमेंट शो करा है, बट उन्होंने 23 में वो रिपोर्ट ऑडिट ही नहीं करवाई है आज तक भी. आज 24 में हम आ गए हैं एंड आइडियली अब उनकी 24 की रिपोर्ट आने को होगी, बट द 23 रिपोर्ट इज नॉट ऑडिटेड. सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच यू नीड टू नो. व्हाई इज इट दैट एन इंस्टीट्यूट हु वाज गेटिंग इट्स रिपोर्ट्स ऑडिटेड अप टिल नाउ stops auditing it one specific year, and maybe we will know whether they will audit it in 24 or not. That we don't know. So you can understand why unaudited gives you the freedom to make it a marketing brochure. That is what all the placement reports are which are not audited. You have to understand that. That is that. And the same things you can see for others. Now अब जब इसके आगे when we'll go, you will unearth a lot of further more interesting things, but this snapshot is extremely important. Yes, one special thing which I like to say is that Sirmor, I don't know how is it, but unaudited report होने के बावजूद भी their salary is the lowest among all, and काफी अंतर है. मतलब average 16 जो था आखिरी which is IMBG और इनका 14.45 बहुत ज्यादा है अंतर, because this is almost 1.5 lakh. So what is happening in this, क्या है क्या नहीं है, we will figure this out. क्या सिरमौर कुछ एरियाज में फिर भी सही है या नहीं है, we will find this out. Moving on from there, let's go and see fees versus placement. ये स्लाइड मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम क्रिएट करी है. लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने न्यू आईएम्स का कंपैरिजन करा था उसमें आई हैड नॉट इंक्लूडेड दिस, बिकॉज सडनली हाउ इट हैपेंस इज दैट व्हेन यू डिसाइड टू गो एन इंस्टीट्यूट, व्हेन यू डिसाइड टू गो टू एन इंस्टीट्यूट लाइक द बेबी आईएम्स, सडनली यू स्टार्ट टू फील अबाउट कि आरओआई है भी, फीस इतनी है और आउटकम कितना है, ये है वो है. दिस इज अ स्नैपशॉट ऑफ दैट. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर, मतलब सब में ही ऑलमोस्ट एक्सेप्ट फॉर आईएम बोध गया, द फीस इज हायर देन द मीडियन सैलरी. आई हैव स्पेसिफाइड median salaries here, not the average, because again average gets affected by the highest and the lowest. Therefore you have to understand. Now here is what you also have to understand in this is that ki while on the looks of it you might say that yaar this to makes no sense, that the fees which I am paying for this institute, I am getting a median salary of 16 yaar, to from day one I am on this thing. That is why in my last videos I had shared with you ki most institutes mein, especially in case of the IIMs and XLRI and some of these institutes, ROI is not such a big factor. It is not such a big factor because this IIM brand is going to stick with you throughout for the next 40 years. Yes, the impact, the financial impact you will see only in the first 2 to 3 years. आपका first job क्या है, second job क्या है, उसके ऊपर how much will you keep on switching and how much will you keep on growing is hinged upon that. Yes, agreed. However, the brand does carry a value. आज से 20 years from now, whenever you will be explaining a story to somebody, you will have that name. 5 years back when I had joined IIM Udaipur was just very average this and that. Now when IIM Udaipur is the best among the new IIMs. In fact, I have had students who have been asking me, sir, IIM Udaipur or IIM Shillong, would you believe it? IIM Udaipur is now being compared with IIM Shillong. लोग सोच रहे हैं वहां जाए फिर वहां. This is not just 1 or 2 students. I have had 5 or 6 such students who have asked me the same question, IIM Udaipur and IIM Shillong. That is that. So that is when you start to feel that अच्छा value है. Then when you go to the industry and say that, you know what, I'm from IIM Udaipur, I'm not saying that you'll see a financial impact on that. However, apart from that, there are more intangibles which you will actually observe that it helps you. That is that. So again, you can see that सबके ही फीस ज्यादा है, तो how can you make a choice on this कि यार ROI पे we have to think this and that. भाई यहाँ पे अगर ROI पे आओगे, then तो you should not choose any of these institutes. In fact, when I'll go to the slide, when I'll be showing you the non-IIMs, then you'll be like यार ये तो और भी ज्यादा फीस है. तो इसीलिए maybe fees is not the best thing for you to see. Now the next thing which I'm showing to you is a very interesting thing which is domain wise placements. Now अब इसके लिए मुझे अपनी शक्ल थोड़ी हटानी पड़ेगी यहाँ से, because otherwise you'll not be able to see anything. Where do I place this? I'll make it smaller. Hold on. So here is what you're seeing now, my dear friends, is IIM Sirmaur in the rightmost. That is where it is. The rightmost जहाँ पे you can see my face is basically IIM Sirmaur. Now this gives you some snippet. Let's understand this. थोड़ा इसमें क्या कुछ stark, कुछ बहुत important aspects है क्या which will help us in the final analysis or not? We'll see it from here. Now the first thing let's speak about, the first row is about consulting. It is predominantly that. IIM Amritsar seems to have the highest percentage of consulting, but it is clubbed. It is consulting and strategy. My problem with any clubbed stat is this कि जब आप strategy को किसी के भी साथ club कर देते हैं, so strategy is very vague. Strategy could include a lot of kinds of roles, of a lot of kinds of salary ranges. तो consulting and strategy combine होना से आपको ये impression नहीं आएगा clearly that how much is consulting, which is good, and how much is strategy. Also, what you have to understand, in baby IIMS में आप front end consulting के लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं. Baby IIMS and new IIMS में, चलो new IIMS में तो फिर भी Accenture strategy आके कुछ front end roles भी दे देती है. Baby IIMS में तो वो भी नहीं है. Baby IIMS are all about back end consulting entirely. That is it. It is about the analyst role and entire back end operations in the consulting field. That is what you have to understand. Then you can see that in terms of finance, again IIM Amritsar seems to be having 24% of the finance job roles, followed by IIM Sirmaur which has 20. Again, finance में क्या है? This is domain wise. Domain wise means that your job role is in finance. It is not about finance as an organization. This is finance is your job role in whichever organization you are. Then if we were to speak about Genman, then IIM Sirmaur seems to have the highest in that. If we were to speak about the sales and marketing, then we can see that there is a close fight between IIM Sambalpur, IIM Bodh Gaya and IIM Jammu. Then operations IIM Bodh Gaya seems to be a standout with 31% of jobs in operations. And also remember please, IIM Bodh Gaya is the only audited placement report in this entire lot, which means अगर बोध गया ने कहा कि 31% operations है तो 31% operations वहाँ पे है, which means probably IIM Bodh Gaya could emerge as the undisputed in operations. That's that. And about the other two, which is IT and analytics, you can see IIM Nagpur seems to be a standout in that, in Prodman, in IT and in IT analytics, followed by IIM Sirmaur. However, we will be seeing that जब मैं Prodman और IT की domain wise rankings पे आऊंगा तो क्या इसका कुछ impact होता है या नहीं. That is what we have to observe now. Now is the point wherein I will be taking you towards the rankings of these baby IIMs, the third generation IIM rankings. This is where we are, because this is now wherein domain wise you will be able to see it from logic and data that which IIM makes more sense to you. However, before that, let me help you understand something, that जब आप baby IIMs को evaluate करते हैं, and please इसको ध्यान से, you have to hear this out very carefully. Whenever you're evaluating baby IIMs, and when I'm saying these IIMs, I mean to say IIMs which are only 7, 8, 9, 10 years old as of right now. Okay, 10 years old हैं approximately सब. There are always three ways to see that. I was not about to include this slide, but when I created my rankings, I realized that the rankings are probably not what you were expecting, but data says something, and my job is to present to you data with some bit of perception, with also my research and my advice. Now, there are three ways to look at baby IIMs. Somebody may say that, wait a minute, I will evaluate them predominantly and purely from the standpoint of ROI, return on investment. यार इन IIMs में जाने का ROI है भी या मतलब नहीं है. As I've already said to you, one of the thumb rules which you should use is that if you have work experience, then an MBA should give you at least 2.5x of your salary if it is below 15 LPA. अगर आपकी existing salary 15 lakh per annum से कम है, तो after MBA the median or the average of that institute should be at least 2.5x, so that you can get those kind of job roles. I'm not saying that the average should be at least that much, but I'm saying that the job which you should get from that school should be at least 2.5x, which means that you have to work hard, you have to stay on the top of the batch, and so on and so forth. The second way to look at baby IIMs is about perception. Perception includes two things: student perception and rankings, and general industry ka this and that. Now, here's the thing. When I'll be showing you the rankings, you will realize in terms of perception, the rankings will be different entirely. Whereas in terms of data and logic, which is what my third way to look at this is, the rankings will be different entirely. अब perception, student perception form कैसे होती है? We need to quickly actually see this. Now, suppose किसी IIM में कुछ कांड हुआ. वो कांड किसी एक स्टूडेंट ने एक सोशल मीडिया पेज पे, एक मीम पेज के ऊपर उसने किया अनाउंस कि देखो हमारे यहाँ पे वो, बिकॉज उस मीम पेज पे आ गया, इट गेट्स फेमस, एंड देन अ परसेप्शन इट गेट्स फ्रॉम दैट, अच्छा इनके यहाँ पे does not mean that is not happening, or something of that kind, or something else altogether is not happening at another institute. So the fault is not of those who run those meme pages or those MBA pages. No, in fact they're doing a fabulous job of unearthing certain scams, which is then helping the students altogether, because then the institutes actually improve and they take action on that. Us angle pe they're doing great and they should do it. But then my job is that while they are unearthing the scams and they are building the perception, and my job then in this entire scene is to bring out data, so that now when you as a student share a meme or something very scandalous to your friend ki dekh bhai us wale IM mein na ye kuch ho raha hai, aise ho raha hai scandal, then your responsibility is also to share this video with your friend, so that from this video they can get a balanced perspective. वो meme pages के scandal से they will know the scandals of that place. However, from this video my attempt is that how can I share with you the data and the logic, so that combined you can make a wise choice. Do not go entirely by perception, factor in your perception along with data and a lot of these things. Having said that, now we can move towards the rankings. I would request you, if you have liked this up till now, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is important. It makes me feel good. It makes me encouraged to do more. So please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And now let me take you through the domain wise rankings, in which I will be explaining to you with logic that why certain institute is somewhere and somewhere not. Here we go, my dear friends. Now the first one which I'll be sharing with you is the ranking for consulting. That if you're somebody who's aspiring to get into consulting, the back end ones, then what should be the sequence of the IIMs which you could choose. And now the shock value, the shock of this entire video starts from here. Here, my dear friends, is the ranking for consulting. Now allow me to explain why, and also allow me to tell you that why this may change entirely next year. तो ये video next year शायद valid भी ना हो. Next year when the aspirants of CAT 24 will go in and watch it and do it, उस समय शायद ना हो, मगर अभी ये for this 24 to 26 intake this is valid. I'll tell you why. My dear friends, I am Jammu, I am Amritsar, and I am Bodh Gaya are the only three institutes in this lot which gets McKinsey. That is extremely important. Further, I am Jammu has 21% consulting offers at an average of 13.85 LPA. That is that. So while their report is not audited, but they have still shared the breakup as per the job role. That's that. Amritsar is a close rank 1B because it gets 30% offers in consulting and strategy. Again, remember, watch that slide of mine. उन्होंने consulting के साथ strategy combine किया हुआ था, but the percentage of this combined pool is very high. It is 30, and also they get McKinsey, hence they are at 1B. And IIM Bodh Gaya is at 1C because while it gets very few consulting offers, which is 7%, it is an audited placement report which has the exact stat of how much is the average for consulting, and also McKinsey comes here. So the ranks 1A, 1B and 1C are on account of the fact that these campuses get McKinsey. They're working on that, and also somewhere they have shared their domain wise breakup as well, except for IIM Amritsar. That is the thing. Now from there we have IIM Nagpur. Now you need to understand कि IIM Nagpur or IIM Amritsar, IIM Amritsar is at 1B, IIM Nagpur is at 2A. Both of them combine consulting and strategy. दोनों ने ही combine करा हुआ है, and दोनों के ही इस साल के last year के placement report में they have not shared the standalone average for them. However, why is it that Amritsar is above Nagpur? The reason for that is that while both have combined consulting and strategy, IIM Amritsar gets 30% of offers in consulting and strategy, whereas IIM Nagpur gets only 18% offers in consulting and strategy. That is the reason number one. The reason number two, as I have already explained to you, is that IIM Amritsar gets McKinsey, IIM Nagpur does not get McKinsey. Now, however, about IIM Nagpur, I would want to share with you something extremely interesting. IIM Nagpur का मैंने अभी आपको just inform करा था that last year 23 की placement report is not audited. However, 22 की placement report audited थी. So for the sake of helping you out properly, I said that no, for IIM Nagpur I would even go back and check कि अच्छा उनकी जो audited placement report थी उसमें placements का scene क्या था exact. So from that what I found out was this, that last year in 22 Nagpur got 22% offers in consulting at a 15.5 LPA average. Therefore, it seems that Nagpur has the potential to get good consulting offers, and therefore it has been placed right after the first band, after 1A, 1B and 1C. It is at 2A. Now one would ask that okay, why is IIM BG above IIM N? The reasons for that are, one, again IIM BG it gets McKinsey, and two, IIM BG has given consulting as a standalone in its audited report, whereas Nagpur has not given consulting as a standalone, and this year's, the last year's placement report is not audited. And I've already shared said this about IIMN to you, that there has to be a reason that an institute which used to get its placement report audited till the year before that suddenly chooses to not get its placement report audited. Hence, on account of that, it is there where it is. From there, let's speak about why is Sirmaur at the place where it is. Sirmaur, Sambalpur and Vizag. Now here is why it is. Sirmaur gets 11% offers in consulting, Sambalpur gets 9 or 10% in it, whereas Vizag, the problem with Vizag's placement report is that they have combined not only consulting and strategy, they have also combined consulting, strategy and prodman. So allow me to take you back to this one very interesting slide which I had prepared for you, and that is why, my dear friends, I always say that all of the things which I am sharing with you, they are all linked. You can see IIM Sirmaur, it gets 11% in consulting, which is the first row. Sambalpur, it gets 10%, whereas IIM Vizag, which is column 3, row 1, it gets 25% of combined consulting, strategy, prodman. So combined में कितना ही consulting होगा, we have no clue. That is why, my dear friends, the rankings which I have shown to you are the most data oriented and logical rankings for you to choose between which IIM is good for you in terms of consulting. Now again, I would want to take you back to one point which I had said. You could either rank these by data and logic, or you could rank this by perception. Perception से अगर इसको मैंने रैंक किया होता, a lot of you will say, but IIM Nagpur and IIM Vizag तो बहुत अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, they तो should have been at the most amazing top level, because वहीं पे सब लोगों को मतलब like you know that everyone is aspiring to be at IIM Vizag, IIM Nagpur, this and that. But the fact is, my dear friends, as I've already explained to you, in some cases, for example, chalo, in the case of new IIMs, when I had created the rankings for it, coincidence was that the data was supporting the perception also. So for example, अगर new IIMs में अगर perception ये है that IIM Udaipur is the best, तो data ने भी उसको support करा था. If there is a perception that IIMT is the best for finance, तो at least data ने भी उसको support करा था. अगर perception है कि IIM काशीपुर में business analytics बहुत सही है, तो वो भी data ने support करा था. But in this case, what I have seen, the data is not exactly supporting the perception which you have. Therefore, in this case, I had suggested to you that now, whenever you are discussing these rankings with your friends, whenever you are forwarding your friends those stories from that meme page or that MBA page on Instagram, while you're sharing that, also share this particular video. Let me now take you to the rankings of sales and marketing. But before that, there is one thing which I'd like to say to you. If you are a serious aspirant who's making it to a B school in this year, आपको मालूम है कि आपको जा रहे हैं, and now because you are at these IIMs, you have to make the most of it. You have to be at the top of the batch so that you can get these kind of outcomes. Then my suggestion to you is one very simple thing. Go ahead and check out this course called How to B School. I have prepared this course from my experience. I went into IIM Udaipur with my speech problem. I couldn't speak at all. I used to stammer so much. In my IIM admission interviews, I used to scribble my answers instead of like speaking out my answers. You can hear this story of mine in so many of my YouTube videos and all the other media articles on me. However, I went on to a place where I got 3 job offers without depending on the placements, because I was scared कि यार IIM Udaipur की placement से मेरा कुछ हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा. Therefore, all of my experiences are packed into this program called How to B School. This is the only program which you need to make the most of your MBA experience. Whether you are an MBA aspirant, whether you are a first year MBA student, this is the program for you. Just go to this page. You'll find the link in the description. Go here and read the entire curriculum of this. What you'll observe is that this program prepares you for everything. I speak about academics, case competition, extra curricular activities, friendship, summer placements, final placements, entrepreneurship, everything. Then a section on specialization selector. How can you choose which specialization is for you? Then some MBA concept crashes so that आप MBA में जाने से पहले concepts में expert हो जाएं. Marketing concepts, economics, finance, statistics, operations, all of those, so that you are ready. You have some grounding and you do not feel lost and scared कि oh my god ये क्या हो रहा है. And then obviously business communication, because I know students lack this like crazy. Even the students of the top IIMs lack this. So this is very sad. That is why I have compiled this course. This does make sense. If you want to make the most of it, go there. Now moving on from there, let me take you to the rankings of sales and marketing, and here is what it is. Get ready to be shocked again. Here is the ranking for sales and marketing. In the ranks 1A, 1B and 1C, you have IIM Bodh Gaya, IIM Sirmaur, IIM Jammu. Then at ranking 2A, you have IIM Sambalpur, Sambalpur, and then at 3A, 3B and 3C you have IIM Vizag, IIM Amritsar and IIM Nagpur. Again, definitely from a perception standpoint this is a shocker because बोध गया यार, वहां पे तो वो कांड ये कांड, अभी वो उस पेज पे मैंने ये पढ़ा था, अरे नागपुर वाइजाग यार तो इतने अच्छे लोग हैं यार, क्या मतलब ये कैसे हो सकता है? अगेन डेटा लॉजिक allow me to present it to you. Now the first ranking is of IIM Bodh Gaya. The fact is it gets 27% of its offers in sales and marketing at an audited average salary of 13.86. So 13.86 जो average है वो audited है, वो actual factual चीज है. It's not 15 or 16 of some place. No, it is audited. The next one is IIM Sirmaur. The reason why IIM Sirmaur is next is because while it gets 22% of the offers in sales and marketing, its average is as high as 16.52. 16.52 LP is the average of sales and marketing. Also, what you need to understand is that IIM Sirmaur has got the highest offer for sales and marketing across all the baby IIMs, which is 64 LPA. तो वो भी एक चीज है. Then IIM Jammu comes third. It gets 26% of its offer in sales and marketing at an average of 14.81. Frankly, IIM Sirmaur and IIM J, you can also interchange them. The reason is that because while IIM Sirmaur gets an average of 16.8 or something, 16.52, that 16.52 also has that 64 LPA ka offer in it, which means that thanks to that 64 LPA ka offer, this 16.54 is slightly skewed towards that highest value. तो Sirmaur and J बहुत ही comparable हैं यहाँ पे. Also now one very interesting thing, that is why I always say जो भी डेटा मैंने आपको आज तक दिया है स्लाइड्स में वो सब जरूरी होता है, वेस्ट कुछ नहीं होता है. Because now if you will see the beautiful coincidence or maybe not so coincidence is that हम कह रहे हैं sales and marketing में बोध गया Sirmaur and J best है. That gets also substantiated and corroborated by the fact that these are the three IIMs which have the highest percentage of freshers in them. Again, Bodh Gaya, Sirmaur and J. If I were to take you back quickly to that slide, then here is what it is, my dear friends. Bodh Gaya has 48, Sirmaur has 85 and J has 70. जो लास्ट के जो है तीन ये हाई है, काफी हाई है. And then yes, obviously you also have an Amritsar and a Nagpur. So you can see that इसका impact होता है, that जो भी अगर की okay, that जिस हिसाब के students वहां पे हैं उसका placement के ऊपर impact होता है. From there let's try and understand why is Sambalpur at 2A. Now Sambalpur, it gets 27% of the offers. That is why in terms of the offers it is at the spot number 2A. Now the problem with Vizag, Amritsar and Nagpur is this, that here if you see in the row 4th, which is of marketing and sales, while Vizag has 14, Amritsar has 17 and Nagpur has 14 again. The reason why Vizag is at the third last place above Amritsar and N is because in Vizag, in that placement report, if you see, they have given the organizations as per the job role. So if you are a student, at least from Vizag's report, you can see कि किस job role में किस kind of organizations are there. And Vizag में sales and marketing के लिए Amazon भी है. Hence, for the sake of that clarity, we would place Vizag above Amritsar and Nagpur, and then Amritsar and Nagpur are arranged at the second last and the last place respectively, purely on the basis of the percentage of offers which they have, which is 17 and 14 respectively. Now my dear friends, this also means one more thing which I have said to you again. अगले साल जब आप आएंगे ये rankings की शक्ल कुछ और भी हो सकती है, in fact होगी, because my dear friends, the fact is that while right now you can see it as this for consulting and S&M, we have shown you, I've shown you that क्या ranking है, ये data कोई stagnated same नहीं होने वाला है, because अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता that okay now it is established that IIM BG is the place to be for sales and marketing. No, it is too early for us to say. For example, 5 years back when I was entering IIM Udaipur, 5 or I think 6 years back now, when 6 or 7 years back when I was entering IIM Udaipur, back then IIM Udaipur was known as the operations campus because our first director was an operations faculty and hence he had made that environment that it is great for operations. But आज नहीं है वो. आज operations के लिए you have somebody else who's good, somebody, some other institute who's good. That's that. So these things change. It is only once the institute has grown 20-25 years that तब आपको established चीजें सामने आ जाती है कि ये campus best है, ये है. मैं तो कहता हूँ even in new IIMs, IIM Udaipur, IIMT, IIM Ranchi, रायपुर, इन सब में भी अभी scope है. जरूरी नहीं है कि IIM Udaipur will last as the most amazing place. Although उनकी हरकतें सारी वो वाली है कि they will last as that because they are doing the right things. मगर अभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. 5 years from now we might be saying a different story that you know what, that the best new IIM to go to is IIM Rohtak. उससे अच्छा कोई IIM ही नहीं है. For all you know, आज नहीं है ऐसा, आज ऐसा far from it है. बट इट कुड बी द सेम थिंग इज दैट. सो जो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए, इफ यू वर टू वेरी फ्रैंकली आस्क मी ये क्या है, बिफोर यू गेट शॉक्ड एनी मोर फर्दर कि यार ये क्या ही हो रहा है, रैंकिंग्स तो बिल्कुल ही उल्टी है. बिकॉज परसेप्शन तो कुछ और था. हमें परसेप्शन में तो वाइजैक बहुत ऊपर चल रहा था दिमाग में, नागपुर बहुत ऊपर चल रहा था. तो ये क्या हुआ, अगर मैं आपको बहुत ऑनेस्टली एक बात बोलूं, ये मैं अभी जो कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए, ये इसका हिंदी में एक फ्रेज है, वो कहलाता है बाल की खाल निकालना. मैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. बेसिकली यार बेबी आइम्स में कंसल्टिंग क्या और फाइनेंस क्या और मार्केटिंग क्या और सेल्स क्या, जब सारी ही समर इंटर्नशिप्स तुम्हारी सेल्स में आनी है ऑलमोस्ट, तो ये किस बात का कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे एनालिसिस कि अगर कंसल्टिंग करना है तो ये थोड़ा ऊपर और ये थोड़ा नीचे और ये थोड़ा सा इधर थोड़ा उधर. बिकॉज ये सब मैं लॉजिक निकाल रहा हूँ आपके लिए, ओनली फॉर यू. आई एम स्टिकिंग माई नेक आउट फॉर यू बिकॉज आई नो उसके बाद मैं खाऊंगा गालियां बहुत सारी कि यार ये तो नॉनसेंस है, ये तो परसेप्शन ही गलत है, ये वो. मगर व्हाट आई एम स्टैंडिंग ऑन बिकॉज ऑफ व्हिच आई कैन मेक दिस एंड आई कैन स्पीक टू इज माय डेटा एंड माय लॉजिक व्हिच आई एम सेइंग टू यू. तो अगर डेटा लॉजिक समझ नहीं आता है, वापस जाओ, देखो प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट्स में जाओ, जो मैंने कहा है वो देखो, वहां पे मिलेगा. मुझे सब ये मैंने अच्छे से करा है. मूविंग ऑन फ्रॉम देयर माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द थर्ड वन व्हिच इज द रैंकिंग्स फॉर माय डियर फ्रेंड्स फाइनेंस. एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट द rankings for finance are. Again, you'll be in for a shock, but here it is. For finance, my dear friends, the rankings are such that 1A, 1B and 1C are I am Nagpur, I am Jammu, I am Bodh Gaya. Then 2A is I am Sirmaur, 3A and 3B are I am Amritsar and Vizag, and 4A is I am Sambalpur. This is for finance. This is my recommended order to you for finance. Again, one more thing which I have to again say. Although मैंने यहाँ पे बाल की खाल खींच के बता तो दिया है कि जी फाइनेंस के लिए ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, थोड़ा सा ये नीचे है, मगर आप जान लीजिए इन कॉलेजों में फाइनेंस वो इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग पीई वीसी वाला फाइनेंस नहीं आ रहा है. वो सिर्फ ओल्ड टाइम्स में आता है और कुछ बहुत अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट. इधर नॉर्मल फाइनेंस है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक्विटी एनालिस्ट होगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिसर्च एनालिस्ट होगा, ये सब होता है, विच इज ओके फॉर समबडी टू स्टार्ट इन फाइनेंस. इट इज गुड. मगर हाँ, अगर आपका एस्पिरेशन बिल्कुल ही क्लियर है दैट नहीं, शुरुआत में वी हैव टू गो इनटू आईबी पीई एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस, तो देन दीज आर नॉट द प्लेसेस फॉर यू. आई हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर. आई एम नॉट हियर टू सेल यू दीज आईएम्स, नॉट इवन माय ओन IIM. I will never sell you an IIM उदयपुर कि भाई सुन यार ये PE और VC छोड़ दे तो IIM उदयपुर नहीं यार, तुम्हें करना है PE VC तो नहीं है, तो IIM उदयपुर में भी नहीं मिल रहा तुम्हें. तो ये चीज है. अब हम समझते हैं कि भैया ये रैंकिंग जो है फाइनेंस की ये क्यों है और क्या है. अब इसकी स्टोरी ये है कि आइडियली इफ समबडी हैज एनालाइज्ड द प्लेसमेंट्स दे माइट से दैट बट IIM जम्मू का फाइनेंस एवरेज इज एट 17.3 LPA which is highest among all and they have 11% of offers in Fin. तो अगर 17.3 LPA है तो why is it not at 1A? The reason, my dear friends, why it is not at 1A, the reason why I have put Nagpur at 1A for finance is this. Again, I had said to you, नागपुर की इस साल की प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट के अंदर कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ है. ब्रेकअप के अलावा कितना एवरेज है क्या है कुछ नहीं दिया, क्या ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस किस फील्ड है कुछ नहीं. इसीलिए फॉर योर सेक आई सेड दैट नहीं, नागपुर के साथ आई कैन नॉट बी अनफेयर, ऑल्दो दे आर ट्राइंग वेरी हार्ड दैट आई शुड हैव बीन अनफेयर विद देम कि जब कुछ दिया ही नहीं आपने तो क्या बताऊं मैं. बट मैंने फिर भी एक चीज करी, मैंने कहा पिछले साल की तो एटलीस्ट इनकी ऑडिटेड है ना, तो IIM नागपुर की 22 वाली जो रिपोर्ट थी वो ऑडिटेड थी. पिछले साल का IIM नागपुर का जो ऑडिटेड एवरेज फॉर फिन है वो है 16 LPA. तो जब मैंने 16 LPA एज एन ऑडिटेड एवरेज लिया और उसको 17.3 एज एन अनऑडिटेड एवरेज लिया, तो मैंने एक ऑडिटेड 16 LPA को एक अनऑडिटेड 17 के ऊपर प्लेस किया है. ऑल्सो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू सी इज दैट फाइनेंस व्हिच इज द रो 2 इन IIM J एंड IIM नागपुर, द फाइनेंस एट बोथ प्लेसेस इज एट 11. तो 11 यहाँ पे भी है, 11 वहां पे भी है परसेंटेज पॉइंट वाइज, एंड देयरफॉर फर्दर बिकॉज ऑडिटेड एवरेज ज्यादा है तो नागपुर ऊपर है. देन एट द स्पॉट नंबर 3 यू हैव IIM बोध गया which has 9% offer in finance at an average of 15.1 LPA audited. Again, IIM Bodh Gaya across all of these is the only audited placement report which we have. Therefore, it is at 3. One very interesting thing about IIM Bodh Gaya which you have to understand that while its average is 15.1, its median is higher than the average. It is a very rare occurrence that किसी का median average से हो high. ऐसा कब होता है जब median average से high हो? ऐसा तब होता है और शायद IIM बोध गया के साथ यही हुआ है कि फाइनेंस की एवरेज जो उनकी 15 रह गई है, एक कोई ऐसी कंपनी आई होगी जिसने फाइनेंस में बहुत ही लो सैलरीज दी होंगी, उससे क्या हुआ कि एवरेज हो गया उनका काफी नीचे. तो अगर उस एक कंपनी को अगर आप हटा दें जिसने बहुत ही लो सैलरीज पे की होंगी, देन ये एवरेज 15.1 से भी ऊपर होता. Hence 1A, 1B and 1C, the band 1 of finance is Nagpur, Jammu and BG. Again, in the same band and you can choose whichever you are interested in. They are similar, they are same. That is why I have created them as per bands and not as per 1 2 3 4. Makes no sense. Similar है. देखो again मैंने हर वीडियो में कहा है आपको कि इन इंस्टीट्यूट्स में you cannot go very wrong because ये बहुत similar किस्म के हैं. And again whatever I am attempting to do here is बाल की खाल, कुछ नहीं है, बहुत similar है, but फिर भी basis data and logic I am creating a framework for you to frankly understand this. From there now I'll speak to you about IIM Sirmaur and IIM Amritsar. Why is that Sirmaur is above IIM Amritsar? What you need to know about Sirmaur is this, that Sirmaur gets 20% offers in finance at an average of 12.92 LPA, whereas in Amritsar it gets a higher percentage of offers which is 27, but it does not specify the average placement stat for Fin. Hence, for the sake of clarity, for the sake of exact clarity that what is the average for Fin, IIM Sirmaur is one league or half level above IIM Amritsar. Also, one more thing which you have to understand. Latest placement report जब आप इन दोनों की उठाएंगे तो each has one very amazing star organization which they have for finance. IIM Sirmaur has DE Shaw which recruits for Fin. It is great. Whereas IIM Amritsar has BlackRock which would have hired somewhere in the investment analyst job role. तो ये एक इन दोनों के यहाँ पे अच्छी finance organizations है, मगर because of the fact that IIM Sirmaur has specified how much is the average, you know how much is the average, on account of that you must appreciate that that could be half level above an IIM Amritsar. Then IIM Vizag and IIM Sambalpur have been arranged in terms of their percentage of offers, which from this table you can clearly see that in finance IIM Vizag it gets 19% and IIM Sambalpur gets the lowest among all, which is 8%. Now again, the problem with Vizag is what is happening is that Vizag has not specified any placement data as per the job role or even as per the sector. Therefore it is impossible to find out कि कितना वहां पे क्या है, and therefore the ones who have specified it absolutely makes sense for you to rank them higher because these numbers are also extremely interesting. For example, a Nagpur had an average of how much? It had an average of 16 which was audited. A Jammu had an average of 17 which was not audited, but at least they are specifying. So ideally the point which, if anyone who's from these institute, if you're seeing this, then the point which is to be driven home is that, and it is not only for IIMV, it is for all the IIMs who are not specifying domain wise salaries. The point which is to be driven home is this, कि you being a young institute, you need to provide data to the students for them to understand. You cannot print and share marketing brochures. You have to give data. There are other institutes which are at least, चलो अगर वो audited नहीं करा रहे तो at least data देते हैं कि भैया broadly इतना है, अब तुम समझ जाओ कि unaudited है तो 1-1.5 लाख 2 लाख कम कर लेना अपने हिसाब से. एटलीस्ट उतना तो कर सकते थे वो लोग इंस्टीट्यूट, उन्होंने वो भी नहीं करा. Yes, the next step above this is to get it audited. That is so fabulous. That is why Bodh Gaya is good. That is why some of these IIMs in the newer IIMs are great. That is why IIM Ahmedabad is superb. The best institute in the country. यार उसको ये होना चाहिए था कि मैं बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट हूँ, मैंने नहीं भी कराया ना ऑडिटेड, लोग झक मार के आएंगे मेरे पास, मुझे कराना नहीं. दैट इज द एटीट्यूड विद विच IIMB and IIMC ऑपरेट, कि हम नहीं करा रहे ऑडिट यार, जो मतलब ठीक है हो जाए. IIM Ahmedabad gets it audited. It's a beautiful institute as per that. From there now allow me to take you to the last two domains, which is Prodman IT Analytics and the last one will be Operations. So let's go and understand the rankings for Prodman IT and Analytics. Here we are, my dear friends. For Product Management IT and Analytics, the IIM rankings, the baby IIM rankings are as follows. The first one, the 1A and 1B is IIM Nagpur and IIM Sirmaur. 2A and 2B is IIM Sambalpur and IIM Amritsar. 3A, 3B is IIM Bodh Gaya and Jammu, and 4A unfortunately is Vizag, and there's a story about it also, that why it is strange that 4A Vizag is at the last. Now first thing is IIM Nagpur, IIM Sirmaur. Now this story IIM Nagpur, IIM Sirmaur, you can simply understand it from this slide. That again, as I said, IIM Nagpur, I also checked last year's audited placement, and Sirmaur B I have seen. At both of these places there is a healthy mix of both product management jobs as well as IT and analytics jobs. So which means that for Nagpur and Sirmaur, if you were to go back to this table, Nagpur is the first column, the last row is 28 and Sirmaur is the last column 26. ये दोनों हाई भी हैं और इनमें प्रोडक्ट और IT का जो मिक्स है वो भी काफी अच्छा है. For example, at IIMN product is 11% and IT and analytics is 17% out there, and the same way you have for Sirmaur. Then from there, why is it that we have, where was this? Why is it that we have Sambalpur and Amritsar at the next two? Sambalpur and Amritsar have been again arranged purely basis of the percentage of offers. you have 19% of offers in IT and analytics, and you have 14% of offers in IT and analytics. Now again, this does not include product management in it. Read it carefully. 19 and 14 में product management नहीं है, तो product management का जो खेल है आपका वो नागपुर और सिरमौर में खत्म हो गया है. You will say to me, but बोध गया में भी तो product management है. क्या really है? We'll see it afterwards. So therefore the next two, 2A and 2B, are Sambalpur with a 19% in IT and analytics and Amritsar with 14% in IT and analytics. Now moving on from there, let's see आगे क्या था. Then we have Bodh Gaya and Jammu. Why is it Bodh Gaya and Jammu are at 3A and 3B, wherein Bodh Gaya तो audited भी है फिर भी इतना लो क्यों है? Bodh Gaya and Jammu. Okay, next Bodh Gaya क्यों है and Bodh Gaya जम्मू से ज्यादा क्यों है? Let's go back to this slide and try and understand. देखो, Bodh Gaya is 9% of Prodman IT and analytics, एक वो चीज है, and जम्मू is 4. मगर वाइजैक 5 होके भी 4 से कम क्यों है? That is what you have to understand. Now बोध गया 9% of the offers में IT and analytics की सिर्फ एक ही organization आई थी. Only one organization came for IT and analytics which hired at as high as 19 LPA. तो hence IT and analytics वहाँ पे नहीं है, वहाँ पे सिर्फ Prodman है which is around 7.5 or 8% कुछ ऐसा है. And बोध गया is a audited thing. So while Nagpur and Sirmaur at least had a good balance of Prodman and IT, here IT and analytics is very low. You only get Prodman. So effectively from this also what you can understand is that अगर product management में जाना है तो नागपुर, सिरमौर and बोध गया is the place for you to be. Then comes in जम्मू. जम्मू जो है वो वाइजैग के ऊपर क्यों है? See, जम्मू is 4, वाइजैग is 5. Why is it? कि 4% पे होके भी जम्मू वाइजैग से ऊपर क्यों है? वो इसलिए है because जम्मू में they have shared the average as per the domain as well, which is good, which shows good commitment towards the student, whereas in Vizag unfortunately they have not shown any average. But now suppose Vizag students will say to me, अरे average नहीं दिखाई तो क्या हो गया, ऐसी क्या बड़ी बात हो गई, आप तो हमें यार आप प्रोडक्ट और आईटी में तो कम नहीं कर सकते, ना ना ना. बट एक और अनफॉर्चुनेट चीज है with IIM Vizag, वो ये है IIM Vizag only has 5% offers in analytics, only 5, whereas the fact is, my dear friends, the engineers were the highest at IIMV. So if you go here, you will see Vizag, which is a third from here, 69% are actually engineers. So a bit strange that इतने engineers होके भी IT and analytics के offers कम है, whereas that field in itself is a very good field, it's a very booming field, and finance के अंदर भी कुछ ऐसा खास नहीं करा हुआ है, which you can say that यार finance में भी at least चलो वो जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे नहीं, ऐसा भी नहीं है, because the kind of organizations and the kind of averages which are happening at नागपुर, जम्मू, BG, सिरमौर, वो बेटर ही है वहां से. तो ये था Prodman and IT analytics का. And now last and final, let's go to, my dear friends, operations. Here is the ranking for operations in front of you. At a 1A you have a clear winner, बोध गया. क्लियर है, क्यों है? बोध गया में 31% ऑफर थे ऑपरेशंस के. वापस जाते हैं, फटाफट देख लेते हैं. बोध गया तो क्लियर कर लेते हैं अभी के अभी. बोध गया ऑपरेशंस सेकंड लास्ट में देखो 31% ऑपरेशंस है जो वहां पे. तो दिस इज अ क्लियर विनर, ऐसा कहीं और है ही नहीं. नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट की अगला कौन. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव a 2A at IIMJ, 3A IIM Nagpur, 3B IIM Sirmaur, 4A Vizag, 4B Sambalpur, 5A Amritsar. Let's understand ऐसा क्यों है, क्या है इसकी कहानी, क्या है. IIMJ the operations average is 27 LP. Operations का average 27 है and IIM Jammu has 9% offers in operations. तो offers भी ठीक ठाक है and average भी काफी सही है, इसलिए Jammu is at spot number 2. Spot number 1 was IIM BG because of the opportunities and average भी दिया है because it is a audited placement report. Then at 3 and 3B you have Nagpur and Sirmaur. Why is that? The reason for that is because at a Nagpur you have 15% operations offer, which is high, and its previous year audited average was as high as 12.59 LPA. तो पिछले साल का 12.59 था, ये इंक्रीज ही हुआ होगा, मोस्ट लाइकली इंक्रीज हुआ होगा. आई कैन नॉट से दैट बिकॉज अगर ऑफर्स हुई इंक्रीज, अगेन होल्ड ऑन, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. जिस साल का ऑडिटेड प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू कि पिछले साल का 12.59 वाज ऑपरेशंस एवरेज फॉर नागपुर, उस साल ऑपरेशंस परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑफर्स वाज ओनली 3.5%. तो अगर 3.5% से 15% 5 टाइम्स हुआ है कोई, तो सैलरी या तो सेम रही होगी या थोड़ी इंक्रीज हुई होगी, मतलब कुछ तो काम करा है इन्होंने. दैट इज व्हाई 12.59 था, इट इज स्टेटेड, हेंस दिस इज एट spot number 3. From there, spot number 4 was Sirmaur. Why is Sirmaur there? Now, while Sirmaur has only 3% operations, again, it has specified the average there, it is 14.73, and that is good. Again, this 3 someday it can become 5 also, someday it can be 9. किसी भी साल कुछ भी हो सकता है. नागपुर के केस में you had actually observed the same. Last year 3.5 था, इस साल 15 हो गया. And average again, respect where at least the average is specified. अगर audited ना भी हो तो at least average तो दियो कि ताकि clarity मिले कि भाई कितने ऑफर्स किस अमाउंट पे, ये तो दिया हुआ हो. That is why my dear friends, Nagpur and Sirmaur stand at 3A and 3B. Now let's speak about 4A and 4B. Why is Vizag and Sambalpur there? Now Vizag and Sambalpur are here because again we'll go back to this place. Again, I'm sorry for this thing, but Vizag stands at 12% and Sambalpur stands at 12. Same है. And again, both of these institutes have not specified their average. Therefore, they are in the same band. However, why is Vizag half level above? Because in their report they have specified supply chain management specifically. That means operations में जो quality jobs होती हैं supply chain management की, वो आती है इधर. That is very important. तो उसके लिए just to appreciate that, you have Vizag slightly above Sambalpur, and then Amritsar is at the last because in their placement report they have not specified operations at all. And here as well you can clearly see that operations has not been specified. My dear friends, those were the internal baby IIM rankings. This was controversial. This is controversial. Now that you've seen it, this is going to be talked about. अगर views मिले तो इस पे बातचीत बहुत होगी कि यार ये क्या सेंस बना, ये है वो है, बट हाँ कुछ ना कुछ तो यहाँ पे है. This is data. Again, at the start I had said to you, with these institutes you can either go by data or by perception. Mostly for these institutes you would mostly fall into perception because perception से ही audience move होती है कि perception जहाँ पे है ज्यादा अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स वहां जाएंगे और ज्यादा अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स जहाँ पे होंगे प्लेसमेंट भी ज्यादा अच्छी वहां पे होगी. तो परसेप्शन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. इस वीडियो के साथ आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू से कि परसेप्शन भाड़ में जाए यार, डेटा पे खेलो, डेटा ऐसा मैं कुछ नहीं कहूंगा आपसे. इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब एक लास्ट चीज मैंने आपके लिए कंपाइल करी थी जो मैंने पिछले टाइम भी कंपाइल करी थी व्हेन आई गेव यू द IIM वर्सेस नॉन IIM. वो मैंने इस साल भी करा है, बट इस साल मैंने इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं करा है बिकॉज मैंने इस बार इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स बिल्कुल नहीं करा है बिकॉज इस बार अगर मैं इन थर्ड जनरेशन IIMs में भी इफ आई ट्राई टू फिट इन द नॉन IIMs समवेयर, वो वाकई बाल की खाल खींचना ही होगा. अब मैंने सिंपली क्या करा है, मैंने IIMs के साथ जो इनके कंपेरेबल नॉन IIMs हैं उनका सारा स्टैट आपको दे दिया है. यू कैन सी दैट द फर्स्ट 7 आर दी IIMs. IIM नागपुर, संबलपुर, वाइजैग, IIM अमृतसर, IIM जम्मू, IIM BG, IIM सिरमौर, जिसमें से IIM BG के ऊपर यू कैन सी द स्टैंप ऑफ इट बीइंग ऑडिटेड. उसके बाद आई हैव पुट ऑल दी नॉन IIMs व्हिच इज जिम, IMI, तापमी, 4, ग्रेट लेक्स, IITR, IITM, IITK. ये डेटा आपके सामने है. डेटा मैंने कंपाइल कर दिया है क्योंकि इन इंस्टीट्यूट्स में आप परसेप्शन के ऊपर ही जाएंगे, आप ब्रांड वैल्यू के ऊपर ही जाएंगे. यू नो माई आंसर्स फॉर दिस नाउ. अगर मैंने ये बात आई हैव सेड टू यू कि इधर आप ब्रांड वैल्यू और परसेप्शन पे जाएंगे तो यू नो माई स्टैंड अबाउट इट, दैट विच इंस्टीट्यूट्स विल आई ऑलवेज एडवाइस यू कि यार अगर ये ऑप्शंस हैं और ये यहाँ पे जाने का सेंस है. वो मेरे हाथ से भी आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि अगर इसमें ऑप्शन है और इसमें ऑप्शन है तो इसमें ही होके आए, विच इज द ब्रांड, बिकॉज द ब्रांड विल ग्रो मच फास्टर. एक और चीज मैंने कर दिया आपके लिए फॉर सम स्ट्राइकिंग कंपैरिजन. मैंने सेम इंस्टीट्यूट्स लिए. फर्स्ट 7 आर द IIMs, द थर्ड जेन IIMs, एंड देन यू हैव द सेम नॉन IIMs. एंड अब मैंने फीस इन ब्लू एंड मीडियन इन ऑरेंज का कंपैरिजन कर दिया है सो दैट आप देख सकते हैं दैट द वंस हु आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड अबाउट ROI उनके लिए ये कहानी है कि भैया ROI तो फिर IMI, तापमी और 4 और इवन ग्रेट लेक्स जैसे प्लेसेस पे तो फिर है ही नहीं. बिकॉज अगर कोई अपनी MBA के लिए 27 लाख ले रहा है और उसके बाद 16 लाख का मीडियन दे रहा है तो वो आपको हजम कैसे हो जा रहा है मुझे समझ नहीं आती. उससे ज्यादा अच्छा तो आप एक ब्रांड के पास जाएं जो कि ग्रो होगा ही होगा. सारे सातों के सातों IIMs विल ग्रो. यस, जो लास्ट 3 है विच इज दी IITs, वहां पे फीस कम है मगर IITs की कहानी ये है आपको समझनी होगी. IITs का जो एवरेज है 18, 16 एंड 18 ये है सिर्फ 60 स्टूडेंट्स का, 80 स्टूडेंट्स का, 100 स्टूडेंट्स का. इनके साइजेस इतने स्मॉल हैं. तो अगर ये 60 स्टूडेंट और 70 स्टूडेंट में भी सिर्फ 18 लाख और 16 लाख ही कर पा रहे हैं जबकि ये लोग इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं ऑपरेट, तो क्या ये अच्छे हैं इंस्टीट्यूट्स? अगेन यू हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम ऑल द एंगल्स. IIT मद्रास, IITR में बैच साइज 100 भी नहीं होता है. ठीक है, 100 भी होगा तो मैक्सिमम 100 होगा. उसके बावजूद भी वो 16 पे है. व्हाट सेंस डज इट मेक? वेयरएज आपके IIMs, दीस थर्ड जेन IIMs 300 के बैच में 16 का एवरेज और मतलब ये 14 का एवरेज पे चल रहे हैं. तो अगर आप IIMs में जाके ब्रांड लेकर टॉप में भी रहेंगे उस बैच में तो आप कितना सही कर लेंगे लाइफ में. सोचिए ऐसे. माय रिकमेंडेशन टू यू इज वेरी क्लियर. इन कंपेरेबल नॉन IIM से अच्छे तो भैया आपको IIMs ही हैं. ब्रांड मिलता है, ग्रोथ मिलती है, सब मिलता है. My dear friends, this was my presentation to you for the rankings for the baby IIMs. Please let me know in the comments how you liked them, you did not find them okay, you found them nonsense, you found them crap, you found them यार कुछ भी बोल जाते हो आप, कोई फायदा ही नहीं है आपकी वीडियोस देखने का, जो बोलना है बोल दो, आ जाओ ठीक है, कमेंट्स में आ जाओ, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट। प्लीज डो नॉट आस्क मी कहां जाऊं, अब इतना मैंने समझा दिया, मेरी सारी वीडियोस देखो प्लीज जाके, मैंने हर वीडियो में रैंकिंग में इतनी इतनी कहानियां दी है जगह, वो करो, एनरोल फॉर द कोर्स हाउ टू बी स्कूल, मजाक नहीं है ये, सेल्सी पिच नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये एज अ रियल फीलिंग है कि आप करिए बिकॉज उससे फायदा है, कोई इसमें कोई मेरे लिए बहुत बेवकूफी होगी अगर मतलब मैं शर्म में आके आपको ये बोलूं कि यार देख लो मेरा कोर्स है ना, मैं कितनी बात बोलूं इस बारे में, नहीं यार मेरा है, मैंने बनाया तुम्हारे लिए ताकि अच्छा कोई फायदा, खरीदो भाई जाके, सेंस बनता है, लो काम आएगा तुम्हारे। थैंक्स अ लॉट एंड गुड बाय।